Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is how to remove keyboard sound on Samsung phone. So, first one is tap the settings icon on your home screen, and now just simply go ahead and navigate and scroll down and select sounds and vibration. And after that, just simply access the system sounds by tapping on system sound slash vibration control. And from there, just simply find Samsung keyboard in the list and just simply toggle it off. And from there, guys, you should be able to remove keyboard sound on Samsung phone. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And guys, if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.